Hello, my name is Heather and I'm an oil painter and a mixed media artist. Today I have a request from Sabrina and Benji on how to create a waterfall paper pad. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will for future art videos, and let's get right to it. So the first thing that you're going to do is cut you a little piece of chipboard or cereal box, and then just cover it with a pretty paper of your choice. I am covering it with a masterboard paper that I created. Then I am going to take it to my sewing machine and sew around it. That is totally optional. Okay, and then I've cut down some different kinds of papers. They could be all different kinds. They can just be one kind. It's up to you. And I fold the first one to be the longest to match the chipboard exactly. See how it fits right to the bottom? And then the next piece of paper, I just go up a little bit, and you can measure that at the bottom. See how there's a little bit more at the bottom? Then I make the next piece of paper a little shorter, and I just create a waterfall of papers. And the easiest way is just to judge is by the bottom. Okay, so we have a waterfall stack of papers. Then you just get your little piece of fabric. And I'm going to use my tiny attacher. If you don't have that, a stapler will work fine. And just staple it all together. Then I'm going to take some Fabri-Tac glue and glue the paper pad to the chipboard. And then the next step is to decorate it. I got a little trim to cover up my staples. And I'm just using some Fabri-Tac glue to glue this down. Then I have a really cool Tracy Fox label that says "For You," and another little Tracy Fox butterfly that I'm going to glue on the front. And voila, a very sweet little notepad, a waterfall notepad. Okay, and let's make one more together. So I have my chipboard, I've covered it with a piece of masterboard that I created, and I have my papers. My first paper, I'm gonna measure it all the way down so that it's as long as the chipboard. Then the next piece of paper is gonna be a little shorter. And then the next piece of paper will be a little shorter than that one. And just work your way up. Get you a piece of fabric and then just staple it all together. Then get some Fabri-Tac glue and glue it onto your chipboard. And these are really neat because they can be slipped into a pocket in a journal. And now I am just taking some trim and are these pretty little flowers. I'm not sure what you call this, but covering up those staples. And then I have a very sweet butterfly sticker, and I am going to stick that on the front for a little decoration. And these are my little waterfall notepads. I hope this video was helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will for future art videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!